Princess Tiana has got her own new ride at Disney's Magic Kingdom. It's actually Disney World's newest ride. So come along with me today as we get to hop aboard the new Princess Tiana Bayou adventure, and also we get to meet a very famous Disney vlogger. So let's get this video started. Here we are. The moment has finally arrived. Let's ride Tiana's Bayou adventure. So excited. I like that. Finally here.
The hot sauce. That stuff is magic. Next on the lineup is the Claiborne Avenue Cats with a New Orleans favorite, Bourbon Street.
They all come to the party to play, but let's explore a bit more.
How's this?
Unusual places, quite unusual habits. Where did our friends go? I don't know. We have to find them.
Be careful with my ears, you bad boy, you. Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is without you. Bye.
That was fantastic. I love it. Great job, Disney. Oh, look, here's the store where they used to have, where you go purchase your pictures from the ride and merchandise. Can't wait to see that open. Just love seeing the train. It was a long, sad few years when it wasn't here. So glad to see it back. Going down the bayou. Critter Co-op. Can't wait to see this store open on June 28th. Let's check out the house rules. Number 1, all critters are welcome. Number 2, there's no such thing as a wrong note. And number 3, the dress code is swamp casual. I love it. There is nothing better than experiencing a new Disney attraction. Can't wait to see the new Country Bear Jamboree show. I was here for the last performance, and you should definitely check that out. It was so much fun. I'm so glad they're keeping the Country Bears.
You have a good day. Good seeing you.
JoJo, I've been wanting to meet you forever.
Hi, what's up? How we doing? What's up, everybody?
Hi.
Hey.
I have a
Hey,
channel.
JoJo. Hey, what's up? Happy birthday.
And your mom and
Yeah.
sister are here. I can't believe it.
That's my sister and my mom.
I'm so happy. I've been watching y'all forever, and he is the most genuine person ever
Hey,
on
man,
YouTube.
I'm trying. I do my
You
thing.
are, like, you are so genuine and kind, and I really appreciate that, and I love watching all of y'all.
Thank you. What's your channel?
Just having fun. JESS,
Clever.
having fun.
Guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell. You know?
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Tiana's Bayou Adventure actually opens June 28th. So I hope you get to enjoy it soon. And if you have already enjoyed it, what do you think about it? I really appreciate you watching. And if you enjoyed, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. I am just having fun. Bye, everyone.